Dread, you gotta stop being such a stickler in the mud.
Says you.
Yeah, says I.
Just so you know, I'm a crewmate.
Me
Ollie,
as well.
Yeah.
Um,
Holy shit,
I'm
that's a lot
really
of
sad to tell you, but you will be my first target.
Okay. Good to know. I appreciate the honesty, dude.
Whoa.
Ooh, you can honk the horn.
Honk the horn.
Honk the horn.
Okay, good. Good thing that the alert timer has a good countdown, because this map takes forever to navigate.
Yeah.
Dead.
Okay, so we've got 2 bodies already.
We do, and I didn't see anyone suspicious around.
Yeah, I'm surprised we got 2 bodies already, because I've only managed to do one task. I took a shower.
I
One
couldn't.
person.
I couldn't
I,
find Ollie, so I killed someone else instead.
I corrected the steering wheel and navigate in the cockpit. So
I made a burger and pulled some trash out of a bin.
It's an electrical.
that sounds like a lot for the time that we played.
Not really. Burger task's easy.
A burger test takes shitloads of time.
It really doesn't.
Just get the bird here.
I think you're just a bad cook, Dread.
That maybe.
Maybe. Mohegans?
What? Oh, yeah, I'm skipping. Sorry.
So you actually believe that I'm the imposter?
I skipped.
You're a pretty
So
honest
did I.
person.
Yeah, 2 people think that I'm an imposter. Hey, Ollie!
Hey, now's your chance to kill me.
Yeah! Okay, let's follow you then.
Yeah. Cool. Is that done? Oh, fucking comms.
I can fix it.
Nearby.
I think I'm getting pretty good at that frequency thing.
Yeah. Oh, there's a whole crew of us here.
There you go.
What am I doing?
There
here?
is.
Oh. Okay, where next? Fucking comms.
Sunday fun day.
Hey Ollie, are you done with your tasks here?
Getting there.
Okay.
Luckily, without the comms, I knew roughly where the stuff was. See, I fucking told you the burger task was easy.
What the fuck?
I was heading over to fix comms and I stumbled across Ollie's dead body. So nobody else around. So, and at 5 we kinda really have to vote.
Yeah, the only player I've seen is Red. I think we spawned at the same place after the last meeting.
We did.
Yeah, and I ran with Ollie for a long time, but
Then you killed him.
The only ones could have killed me.
I was doing tasks with Ollie, but I don't know who killed him because we got separated.
Right.
Of course.
Just a heads up, I'm gonna haunt you guys.
I'm actually getting pretty nervous about this haunting thing.
Wow. You could have
See?
killed me, Logan.
Oh yeah.
As you can see, he was the imposter, and I voted for him, but you guys failed. My ex is a bitch.
She's a witch.
Bitchy witch.
Not a witch, a bitch.
A bitchy sandwich.
Yeah, hamburger without a hamburger.
Hamburglar.
Yeah,
Hamburglar-esque.
it's a veg burger.
It's pretty much like buying a
Veg
margarita pizza. Like, why would you do that?
Yeah.
Hey, sometimes that shit's good.
It's a
Yeah,
sandwich.
Bleh. All I have to say is someone has some repressed memories that need to go to therapy.
Who doesn't? Oh, for fuck's sake.
Oh, I don't think I've ever gotten perfect connection on the phone before.
I
It's
have.
really tough, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, kind of like real life.
There we go.
Has anyone got the right one?
Yeah. Looks like,
Yep.
We just die here.
no. It looks like Snake got the other one.
I did.
Okay. So let's get through the doors again.
Yeah, that can take a while.
Yeah, I'm just trying to remember how. I've not done it in a while, so I'm trying to remember how to get through at the right speed. Damn it. There we go. I'll be nice and open some doors from people, even if it gets me killed. Oh! We got the body.
Uh-oh.
But I was
Oh,
putting
it's your
laundry
ex.
into the
See,
basket.
someone killed me first because they really actually have hateful memories towards their ex. They need
Yeah.
to go to therapy.
Of course you want your ex to die.
Alright, so I done the magical thing with the card magic and walked through the door in the gym room, and then I found the body. And there was nobody in there.
I can't see shit because my cat was in the way of the monitor.
So, that's going to be a hard decision because I passed like 4 people.
Yeah.
Because
But
I
which
went
room-
across
Which room did you say it was in?
the big gym room where you had to dress the
Ah.
mannequin.
Right.
And because I remember I seen Snake and I went past the platform, then I seen Ollie, and then I went back through the hallway and opened the door. And as soon as I opened the door, yeah, there was the dead body with the big gem.
I'm skipping.
Any theories, Snake?
Nah, I've got nothing. I was just about to put all the collected laundry into the basket, but then, you know, the body was found, so I have
Okay,
no
wait
idea.
a second. People are voting and I haven't been listening. What's happening?
Oh,
I
They
think
found
that's
a dead body.
Okay.
Someone killed me first because they hate their ex. So
Ah,
I was the
right.
biggest target.
And my mouse stopped working, so give me a minute.
That's going to be very hard for you being the imposter then, Dread.
Yeah.
maybe you need a new computer mouse. Maybe.
Maybe the cat is eating up his mouse.
So, is this just gonna be a thing where you vote for me every time we're unsure?
I guess. That's kind of what it sounds like.
I skipped, so
Yeah.
don't blame me. Someone voted on me though.
I think you guys are mean to Snake.
A little bit, yeah. By the way, I have no idea what it is, but it's as soon as my cat walks over
There you go, Ollie.
my mouse, it just kind of stops working.
Oh, crap.
The Nintendo kid is seemingly ready to play now. He wrote in the Discord.
Indoors.
Awesome.
Yep.
How did you get
I'm working. I can't go any faster.
Do your tasks.
Please fix the comms.
So, Mr. Meme is coming
You
up.
imposter? I think you are imposter. I'm gonna keep an eye on you, mister.
Okay, comms rip. Ah!
Oh.
The door slammed shut in my face.
Where did Mogans leave?
No, I was replying to the Nintendo kid in the chat, so because I did that, I apparently disconnected from the game.
I hate that.
Not
That's a
playing
bit
the
sad,
floor.
actually.
Stupid freaking.
So, I gotta raise a question at this point. Who the hell are the slobby shitheads that just drops their towels all over the locker room?
That's a good question. My vote's on Ollie.
Ah, fucking children.
Thanks.
Fucking
Cut
British
rags.
people. Okay. I saw the kill. And you all guys voted on the right person the last round. It's Snejk.
Okay.
No, it's not. I was, like I said, still doing the laundry thing. You know,
Yeah,
dropping
but I
towels
saw
into the
you
basket.
smack a body to the ground and run away. So
So
it's Snejk.
I'll just let everyone know that this accusation means he is the imposter, and if you vote for me, you will see that I was right when the round is over, because I am right. I don't even know where he's basing these accusations. This is ridiculous, but yeah, well, whatever.
Sounds awful political.
I don't know who to vote for.
I'm gonna
Nobody
vote for
does.
Snejk. And you'll see he's the imposter.
Okay.
You're fake news.
You're faking.
Well,
I
you all
won.
just made a mistake, so there's
Fuck
that. So
you.
anyway, I'm gonna go catch some more alcohol because you guys are dumb.
You guys are cunts.
Oh god, does it sound like South Park?
Oh my god,
you two, Kenny!
Now
You
I'm going to
bastard!
take
Ow,
a
ow,
shower,
ow.
so I can take a shower.
You
Yeah.
killed Kenny, you bastards!
You bastard.
Yes, we have to do that.
Okay.
Okay, I
We
only
have to
have
do
one
that.
task left. What
Yeah,
are you
I
doing
am
with
dead.
the tasks, huh?
We must do that. Ah!
Can we do task queen? I'm done with my tasks.
Going for it.
If you can fix comms, and maybe I can see if my
Yeah.
ghostly
I-
tasks are.
I'm on my way. Oh, everyone's here. Okay. Fuck.
That's a
Good job,
legendary
Ollie. Good
duo.
job, Ollie.
Likewise.
That's the legendary duo.
He's the 46th president of the United States.
No. Who's Joe Biden in the game? Are you just trying to say
No.
that you have dementia or what?
No, it's not Joe Biden, it's Joe Biden. It's Swedish.
Right.
Queen Biden.
It's the Swedish king,
It's supposed to be Beijing Biden.
the king of all kings.
Beijing Biden, #1 super guy.
I actually kind of feel that the Swedish king should start ruling again.
I feel that way too.
I think we already had that discussion. Me and Dredd had a very lovely discussion about that. The king should come around more
Oh, yeah.
often and let people make fun of him being the politicians, and then they can go visit his house and off with their head.
Yeah. Well, actually,
Well-
the Swedish king is pretty much the one who's making fun of the politicians.
Yes, but it would be more fun if he used the guillotine.
Joe Biden.
Well, he
Guillotine,
got-
Most
guillotines are for rich women on diets. Just use an axe.
I'll put our hands for French
who
people.
was killed says let them eat cakes because she was Austrian and ate, and she was precisely on a diet. So
So, where was the...
Yeah, so in any case.
okay,
Oh,
Margaret,
Mojans, were you down by the switches?
Who? Me?
Mogans, where is the body?
manifest yourself.
Millions!
Radio
Where was the body?
silence.
Mogans, din rosa jävel.
Speak up or forever hold your peace. Or we will vote for you.
Okay,
That we will.
everyone, let's vote for Mogan.
Yeah,
Yeah,
let's.
voting for Muggins then.
Everyone vote for Mogans.
vågar inte gå ut själv. En annan gick ut i Göteborg och... Kriminaliteten på. Finns det mod att sätta ord på det? Jag såg inte det komma faktiskt. Nej. Nej, men alltså, min son har blivit rånad 3 gånger. 2 gånger utav somalier och 1 gång ifrån araber.
Kan du... Skit i spelet. Is everyone voting for me now?
Yes,
That
because
sounded
you
very
didn't reply.
That sounded very Peter Griffin-like.
I was brushing my teeth.
Who's the one who all... Seriously,
Sure, he was brushing his teeth.
in all seriousness, who's the one who's always voting for me? Someone is always voting for me, like out of spite.
Dreadnought.
Is it you?
No, it's not me.
No,
This time it was me.
I will flatten someone's face.
I'm gonna flatline him.
How come all my fucking tasks are on the other side of the map, and this map is huge?
Because your mom goes to college.
Good answer.
That's a really polite way to harass someone.
I cannot move.
Your mom is so capable, she went to college.
That's a bug.
White privilege with debt. How dare you?
Do anyone have a mom that's good on swiping cards? Because I'm not.
Well, do it slower or faster.
Do it better.
Or more even.
Oh, what the fuck? I think I see a dead... Yep, there's a dead body over here.
Somebody!
Bet you prick. Couldn't you have waited 10 seconds for me to finish this stupid phone?
Somebody took advantage of me being frozen in the game.
Ghost
Okay.
can't speak.
I'll tell you exactly where it was. So this is right near the bottom left. Like there's a door, and then I think it's like close to the kitchen. So next to the kitchen, and then the door was closed. I was about to open it, and then I saw a report. So I was like, someone was killed over here. I did not see anyone over, but if you saw anyone go north from there and the door was closed, it wasn't open. So if you saw anyone go north from the kitchen, it was probably them.
Hey, what do you have to say about this?
I was in the shower.
I was on all the way to the right.
I did see you got me, but I saw them way before I saw the body.
Okay.
Like near the switches, so I don't think it was them. Unless they did it and ran over like really quick and no one saw.
And you just happened to meet halfway.
Whoever's voting for Snejk out of spite.
Yeah, don't stop with that. You have to keep on voting for him. Antagonize Snejk.
Or you voting, you're dead. And
Yeah,
you too.
well, I won't be dead forever.
Alex, who did you vote for?
Snejk.
Snejk.
Alright.
I'm actually going to vote for Ollie.
So if I'm in the if I was doing the
I'm-
shower task, which is much closer to the far north, the right north side, why would you vote for me if the body was found like at the bottom left?
Because you went northeast.
Why the hell
Wow.
did people vote for me?
At least 2 imposters voted for you.
Okay.
I didn't wait.
And I think I know.
What?
Oh, damn.
That
Oh, look
wasn't.
at that! Oh, look who's not on the imposter team! Idiots.
I'm so good on pointing out the imposters.
So it was Mogans and Ollie.
Yeah.
I'm going to bed.
Alright, good night, baby.
Okay,
Good
baby. We shall talk. Good night.
Good night.